The existing Datchet Road overbridge between junctions 5 and 6 can only accommodate 3 lanes on each carriageway of the motorway, and as a result, the hard shoulder discontinues under the bridge. It is not wide enough for the new 4-lane smart motorway, and therefore a longer span replacement bridge is required. The new structure will be built offline, which means the existing bridge will remain operational until the new bridge is ready. This will allow pedestrians and traffic to continue to use the existing bridge during construction. While there will generally be 2 lanes of traffic open on the bridge during the works, some single-lane traffic management will be required on occasion. The new bridge is longer than originally intended to avoid the disruption of moving high-voltage electricity cables. Once the new bridge is completed, traffic will be diverted onto it, and then the old bridge will be demolished. The road linking to the bridge will be realigned to the east of its current position. This will move the road further away from the residential properties south of the motorway. It is expected that construction of the new bridge will take approximately 22 months to complete.